Excuse me.
How can I help you, sir?
Show me some pencil box.
Okay. Here are some items of pencil boxes. You can choose from here anyone, sir.
These are not like to me.
Okay, okay. Since this is not like to you, you can like one from this, sir.
That's are good. Like it. How much is this?
Sir, your like is very nice. You have great taste, I think. This is only 50 taka, sir.
50 taka. That is too much. Show me another.
No, sir. Only 5 taka I can reduce from here.
Oh,
Will it do to you, sir?
pack it me.
Okay. Thank you.
Please show me some pen, please.
Yes, sir. What type of pens do you like, sir?
I like red pen.
Red pen. Okay. Here are some items of red pen. You can also take from this box, sir. Which pen do you like most, sir?
I like this.
Okay, okay.
How many does cost it?
Sir, it cost will be only 10 taka, sir.
Okay, pack this. Pack it, please.
Okay.